Been failing to drop texts in the family on Meyo. What you need to do is this. Let me show you. So you go to Meyo, click club at the bottom there. Okay, so clubs a lot. Okay, so now you click our family, the empire. When you're in, so now click the messages icon which is in the bottom left corner. Tip. So now check here. In the bottom left corner there is a die. Now on top there is a mic. Okay. Now on the right of the mic there is up. When it's like this, you can't send a message like hello. Let me try this. You see, they're saying I have insufficient balance. So what you need to do is click it so that it goes up. Now you'll be able to drop text. Hello. Let me do this. Madam Marlon, you're welcome. You're welcome. And the message is delivered. You see that? That's how we do it.